I have a SEPHORiA swag bag unboxing. I just got back from SEPHORiA today. If you're not familiar, SEPHORiA is Sephora's House of Beauty convention. So basically a lot of their brands create pop-ups. You can go sort of like door to door and shop them and learn about new product launches and just experience the brands hands-on. They gave us a swag bag. I did go as a guest of Dry Bar. Thank you, Dry Bar. So I did get this VIP swag bag, which is supposed to be worth $900. And then they also gave us a little bag just to shop samples as we're going around. I did a little bit of a poll on Instagram and around 90% of you said that you would want to see an unboxing. So I've not actually gone through it myself, but the swag bag they gave us at the very end, and I've only looked at 1 or 2 products inside. I wanted to save my authentic reactions for when I film. And I also saw a Patrick Ta masterclass. So I'm really excited to do my makeup hopefully tomorrow and incorporate all of these glowy skin techniques. But anyway, I can create a different video teaching you guys what I learned at the Patrick Ta masterclass. If you're interested, then comment down below. But without further ado, let's just dive right in. I got my hair done at Dry Bar. They put in these cute little clips for me, curled me, dry shampoo, glitter spray, all the good stuff. So starting off with the swag bag. This is the official VIP swag bag that you get at the end. Again, it's supposed to be worth $900, but we'll see. The first thing that I see is this Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes Mascara, which I'm so excited about. I don't own anything from Pat McGrath, but she is queen mother, so I'm really excited to use this. So I think I'll need scissors to open this up, but anyway, mascara from Pat McGrath. And then we also have this full-size dry shampoo from Amika, which honestly probably top 3 dry shampoos. We have a dry shampoo from Living Proof, also a really good dry shampoo. We have this Too Faced Translucent Peach Whisper. So this is just translucent setting powder infused with peach and sweet fig milk. Sweet fig milk. This I saw in the car and I was so excited about it. So I do kind of believe that this bag could be worth that amount just because this is a full-size Tom Ford perfume and I feel like this is pretty pricey on its own. This is probably what, $125, $150. So it's already a big chunk of the bag. This is the Eau de Soleil Blanc, which I've never smelled before, so I am gonna pop this open. If I can. Oh my god. It's so beautiful, the packaging is just so beautiful. It looks expensive. It's very clean, this one. Next we have Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. This primer has SPF 15, which is always a plus. Again, full-size products and really nice packaging. Next we have YSL Oil and Stick. I love these. So the YSL booth was really cool actually because they were engraving. So if you bought a lipstick, they would engrave it for you for free. But I didn't buy a lipstick just because I feel like I do have so many that I don't use already and I felt like it was kind of wasteful, but it was still a really cool booth idea. So this is one of their lip balm, color lip balms. Oh my god! Gucci Bloom is my scent. If you weren't aware, I wear Gucci Bloom every single day. And if it's not Gucci Bloom, then it's Flowerhead by Byredo. But Gucci Bloom is the OG. Oh my god, wait, it's a hair mist. It's not fragrance. I mean, it is fragrance, but it's hair mist. I'm gonna smell so crazy by the end of this. Oh my god. Gucci Bloom is everything. Next we have, my cat just sneezed. Bless you, Mila. Did you hear that? Next we have Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Refining Serum. Their booth was also really cool. They had this huge game where they had boxes stacked like this, making a design, and you basically just pull a box and whatever is in the box you win. And the goal was to win this LED face mask that's $400. I didn't win that. They still gave me a sample of something else. But this is the Pore Refining Serum, which I've never used. I'm excited to use it. Next we've got Costa Sport Lip Fuel. This is hyaluronic lip balm. Over here we have a NARS lipstick in Crushing Sheer, which looks like a pinky nude, but we're gonna pop this open anyway. It's just a really nice nude. And then here is Margiela fragrance which is Replica, and it's Beach Walk. Funny story about their booth, they had like a whole library set up, like they built out a mini library, and they're like, oh, would you like to view the private collection? And I said yes. So I go into this small room and there's books on the wall. I opened a book because he's like, I recommend the white book in the middle. So I opened the book up and I screamed and jumped and almost fell. I like cussed so loud because there was a white glove that came out of the book and handed you like a cookie that looked like perfume. Anyway, it freaked me. It was not what I was expecting. And it's just like a nice little roller ball. Wow. I'm gonna smell insane just mixing everything. Next we have Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. This is a Quench Hydrating Primer, which I think I got a sample of that at the booth, but it's nice to have the full size too. This is Natasha Denona Mini Star Palette. So this is a cute little sort of like smoky and a little bit of a blue mini star palette. This is, oh my gosh, I love Drunk Elephant. Sorry, my phone is loud. I love Drunk Elephant so much, and honestly, they are a little bit on the pricier side. I mean, they're not like luxury pricey, but listen, their skincare is not cheap. So this is Lala Retro Whipped Cream. It's an all-purpose rescue cream whipped into an airy blend of 6 rare African oils. It recovers and locks in intense moisture for hours after application. I have a lot of their products, but I have all of the travel size ones because I'm poor and I can't afford to buy the big ones. Next we have Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, which I also saw in the car, and I was so excited about it because I use this every single day. I used it this morning. It's the richest, creamiest, like most decadent moisturizer. We're almost done with this bag. I feel like there's a lot of stuff left. They're all like smaller things. Like here is Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions. I don't own anything by Huda Beauty, so I'm pretty excited to try this. And they're just super green eyeshadows. I wonder, wow. That's pretty crazy, look at that. I just dabbed my finger on it. Okay, and then next, Sunday Riley A+. Oh, I didn't even see a Sunday Riley booth there, so that's pretty crazy. All these brands I did see there, but not Sunday Riley. So this is the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. Retinoids are the best thing for anti-aging. I'm so excited to use this. Sunday Riley, I feel like, for me, is on the same vibe as Drunk Elephant, like really good, solid serums. Then here is Beauty Bento by Kaja, or Kaja, I'm not sure. Cute! It's a little tiny eyeshadow trio, and they all stack on top of each other. This is the Beauty Blender Solid Cleanser. I never clean my Beauty Blender, so this is necessary. And then this is the Inky List Hyaluronic Acid. Their booth was super cool. You could pay $10 and then make your own serum. I didn't do that because the line was too long, and honestly, I don't trust myself to make a serum, but I'm really excited about this. So this is for reducing fine lines and wrinkles. This is the Lord Jones High CBD Formula Body Lotion, fragrance free. You don't get high from this. It's non-psychoactive, but if you have like tense muscles and things like that, it really does help. Like, I am a super believer in CBD. Then we have, is there anything in here? This is the Brow Power Perfector from IT Cosmetics. I didn't see IT Cosmetics there either. Universal Taupe Waterproof Brow. And then we have Hum Hair Sweet Hair Gummies with Benefits. Okay, I know it's so cheesy, but like I've been dying to try Sugar Bear Hair or Hum or like any of these things. And then we have Briogeo Scalp Revival. This is like a little travel size micro exfoliating shampoo. Oh my god. It is a super green lipstick. I guess I can use that with the green Huda Beauty palette. And almost done, I promise. This is the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer Shine Balm. Super cute little packaging. It's like raised with little rose outline on it. This is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I usually just use concealer as eyeshadow primer, but you know, this is like the OG. I feel like in high school we were using this. This is the Marc Jacobs Highliner in Earthquake. And this is Sephora Collection Black Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And then finally, last but definitely not least, this is the Laneige Lip Glow, which is a daytime version of their Night Sleeping Balm, which I love. So this is everything that I got in the swag bag. Do I feel like it's $900? It could be. I wouldn't be surprised because there are a few items here that I know to be over 100. And there are a lot of items here. So yeah, I definitely feel like it could be $900 worth. And honestly, they're not like throwaway things. I'm really genuinely excited about most of them. Yeah, so thank you Sephora for this gift bag. And then I guess I'll just jump into like the trick-or-treating I did. So these are just the samples and little prizes and gifts, again, that the brands gave out at the booth. This is like a Swell water bottle that SEPHORiA gave us in the VIP lounge. And then this little bag is from the Drunk Elephant booth, and they gave a little sample size of the TLC Glycolic Night Serum. And then Too Faced had like a complete Christmas card setup, so we sat in Santa's sleigh and took like our Christmas card basically. And then at Herbivore, they gave us a mini facial oil trio. This line was so long, probably the longest line that I stood in. But you get a mini of the Orchid Youth Preserving Facial Oil, the Phoenix Regenerating Facial Oil, and the Lapis Balancing Facial Oil. And then at Kaha, same company as this, they had like the claw machine game, and I lost, but my consolation prize was these cute like purple sunglasses. La Mer also had a crazy long line, but I got a mini sample of their original moisturizing cream. I mean, it's a tiny sample, but this stuff is so expensive and a little bit goes a long way, so hopefully I'll be using that for a while. And then I got the Dr. Gross Clinical Grade Resurfacing Liquid Peel. This was my consolation prize for not winning the LED mask. And at Dry Bar, love Dry Bar, they gave us this quick dry blowout serum along with doing our hair for free. I also got this Way Melrose Place perfume, which I have the full size of this, but I just love the travel size, the sample sizes to keep in your purse. This is Gucci Flora, which is a new scent that they said is coming out soon. And okay, so at the Patrick Ta Masterclass, they had lip gloss sitting in each seat. So this is the full size of the shade She's Expensive. All of his names are so crazy. So this one's like a pretty light, almost like a clear coat, a little bit of like champagne clear coat. Here we have, I've never heard of this brand, it's ElleKae. I think it might be Korean skincare, and it's Liquid Light Serum Highlighter. Serum Highlighter. And then I have a little baby size that they were giving of the booth. Same thing like that. Some samples from Tarte. A little like phone ring, like for the back of your phone. Another little Patrick Ta, same thing, She's Expensive. This is the sample size of the Tarte primer I got in the bag. This I love, I'm obsessed with it. So Way was giving out these condoms. It says in case of emergency, and it's 100% a condom wrapper, but it's hair ties. It's so genius because yeah, in case of emergency hair tie, it's like a real thing. And then there's this place called Kush Beauty, and so they were giving out little stickers that say like, boom, 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 Kush, high volume, like just playing on the fact that it's like a hemp brand. And then here is another matte lipstick. I played a game to get this one. Like you dropped the ball in the top, and then whichever basket your ball ended up in, that's the lipstick that you got. Okay, like a purpley fuchsia magenta. Here is the cookie from the Margiela scary book opening thing. Another little dry shampoo. So I obviously didn't know that I was getting the full size because I was out here like sneakily stocking up on the minis. And a little pocket mirror from Sephora. It opens up like this, like a little heart. And then again from Herbivore, this is the Prism 12% AHA and 3% BHA Exfoliating Glow Serum. I don't really exfoliate with scrubs. I always exfoliate with like serums like this. I just feel like it works better, it's less harsh if you're using it right. And then also, this I guess should have gone in the other one, but if you were a VIP and they gave you a $20 gift card to Sephora, so you could have used it at the event, but I didn't because I want to go get this dry bar brush that straightens your hair while you brush your hair. So I'm going to save this, go to my nearest Sephora and pick that up. And more little Way condoms, and that is it. So that is my SEPHORiA 2019 haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Should I do a giveaway? I feel like I should do a giveaway because I got a lot of doubles. So how about this? I'm gonna do a small giveaway. I'm gonna add in a bunch of these sample sizes and possibly some full-size things too. Okay, so to enter the giveaway, you have to follow me on Instagram, you have to subscribe to me on YouTube, and then you have to comment down below telling me done and also what your Instagram handle is so I can like reference and like double check. So yeah, if you want to win some of these things, enter my little very informal giveaway. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.
They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay